How to upload a sound to TikTok without a video. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now tap on the capture button to take a photo. Then go to the top and tap on Add Sound. Here, you can view and explore all the available sounds on TikTok. Now go to the top corner and tap on the search icon. Here, tap on Discover More Sounds under the search bar. Go to the Your Sound section as shown. Then tap on Import Local Sound as shown. Here, you can scan local sounds to import them from your device. Now go back to the previous page and tap on Import Sound from Video. Here select the video you want from your camera roll. Then tap on Import Sound from Video at the bottom. Now select the imported sound from here. You have now successfully added this sound to the video. Then tap on Next at the bottom to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily upload a sound to TikTok without a video.